A broken flange can sometimes be patched temporarily, but the method you choose must match the damage and expected service life. When the flange has minor cracks, edge nicks, or localized corrosion, a metal repair ring or a flange repair kit can restore sealing function for a limited time. For a small hairline crack, clean the area thoroughly with a wire brush and solvent. Then use a high-strength cold welding compound or two-part epoxy designed for metal repairs, applying it to both sides and allowing full cure under clamped pressure to re-establish rigidity. For larger fractures or missing bolt holes, a machined repair ring that sandwiches the damaged section works well. Measure inner and outer diameters and thickness before buying so the ring aligns with the pipe bore and gasket face. When pressure or temperature is significant, choose materials and adhesives rated above the operating conditions and follow manufacturer cure schedules to avoid premature failure. Always test the repair at low pressure first, then raise pressure incrementally while watching for leaks and checking bolt torque series to avoid uneven loading. If you are unsure about flange flatness after repair, use a straightedge or feeler gauges to confirm sealing surface flatness within tolerance for the gasket type you will use. Common mistakes are relying on a quick epoxy patch for a high-pressure service line which will fail under cyclic loading. The safer approach is a mechanical repair ring or replacement when pressure cycles are frequent. People also reuse a warped flange without checking face flatness, which leads to persistent leaks. Check flatness with a straight edge and replace the flange if gaps exceed the gasket tolerance. Another issue is using a repair material not rated for the chemical environment, which causes rapid degradation. Always match repair material compatibility and operating temperature and pressure ratings to the service conditions. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate and contact local contractors for flange work or temporary repairs and offers resources on repair options and materials. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, ask questions, and find work opportunities.